Hello guys, welcome back to my channel.
Hey guys.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Nenye, and here with me today is
NJ. I want to say this is NJ. My name is NJ of Banter with NJ.
NJ of NJ Glitters.
Yeah, on Instagram.
Of course. So yeah, today this topic.
See, this girl dragged me. Yeah? Me, busy person like me. She dragged me here and said, let's film a video. Now she can't even remember
because I have my makeup on.
She doesn't know what she wants us to film about. She's telling me, and she's looking at me.
Anyways, today there's this friend of mine. After her engagement party, she moved in with the guy. So, and she has been getting a lot of backslash. People saying disclaimer, she didn't tell me what we're going to talk about though. So I'm just listening to her patiently. Let me know if it's something I even want to talk about. I'm listening. Definitely something you like to talk about. You know, she's a lawyer, our house lawyer. So she moved in with her man, and people were like criticizing, giving her backslash about it's not right after engagement to move in with the guy.
Sorry, they got engaged and then she moved in with him. Okay.
Engaged, not introduction.
Okay, engaged.
Anyway, guys, I might even do something like that. So today, I don't know, NJ, what's your opinion on it? Like people moving in with the guy, maybe after engagement, not introduction.
Engagement.
At the
end of the day, I don't know, me, I think it's...
Sorry, before I say something, no, NJ.
You can say that maybe it's not my lifestyle.
But it's not her lifestyle,
yeah,
yes.
But I don't judge
because
at all.
I could remember some months ago when she did, when Nelo made a video that her dad allowed her to move in with her husband. But then Angel, you made a video then that
because that was,
Angel was not feeling
I was
it.
younger then.
She was not feeling it.
I didn't like the idea you get. But at the end of the day, that's Chinelo is my younger sister. You know, with younger sisters, you feel like overprotective over them.
And she is to me.
But
this one,
this one, I won't allow her move into any man's house.
That is it though, even to go out. You know, before we continue this video, if I want to go out with a friend, Angel will not be like, Chinelo, do you know this guy?
I have to be sure.
Do you know?
Tell me where you're going to.
Yes.
So if you just
once it's late,
in case she's in trouble,
her lateness,
NJ come and get me. At least I'll know where she is.
Her lateness is 7 o'clock.
If I'm not that bad.
Not NJ now, there was time, but she's overprotective of us. Everybody in the family, she's very, very overprotective. So let's continue.
So yes, at the end of the day, it's nobody's business.
Of course, it's nobody's business.
So it depends on the relationship you have with this person you're engaged with. Some people, they are so close, like they already feel like they're even living together before they even get engaged. You get, it's just a personal choice thing. Me, I don't judge. Whatever works for you. If you move in with him at the end of the day, people still don't get married. Sorry. At the end of the day, if you get married, good.
It's fine.
Like I'm indifferent about it, really. I don't, because it's not like maybe some people say, it's not the Christian thing, they will not move in together. Nah, kwaziko.
But I'm going to equal before I say this thing, because people will normally say church people. Sorry to use this word, church people,
but fine, it's true.
They will not be like, is it right for you to make way with the guy or not? I don't know, but sometimes it's good. That's why sometimes.
Tell me more.
No, for me,
Sugar.
For me, sometimes it's good to make way small before doing the actual engagement and the rest. Yeah, so that you know what you're going into.
Okay.
So with the girl that was getting backlash about moving in with the guy, their reasons was being that maybe if they start to make way and do the rest, the guy might get to disappoint and all.
But they tell them that they were not make way in before.
That is it.
Some people do, some people don't too, but most people do. So like, I don't get it. It's nobody's, as long as both families are okay with it. Seriously, like before I do some things, I think about my family,
of course,
and some close friends, but mostly family. And if my family is okay with it, really, trust me, I don't care again. The other people are always, what will my dad think? What will my mom think? Hey, my sisters, they be disappointed. My brothers don't come. Hey, what of this my close friend? That's it. I'm okay with it. So yeah, as long as family is there, okay with it. Whose business is it?
It's nobody's business. Just that I don't understand. So to you right now, you feel that it's okay. Whatever works for you,
Yeah, why not? Just let's say now, I live in Lagos and my boyfriend is in Lagos, and then we get engaged, and we are engaged. We are planning to get married. Should we move in, make it easier for me.
For us, for you to first plan our wedding, so
mind, you know, and all that. So I don't. They will watch this video and be like, NJ, is this you saying this?
Yeah, because I know that NJ of the NJ I know then. Yeah, of the NJ of last year. Of NJ of last year. Let me just put it like of NJ of last year. NJ will not be like, this one you are saying this thing. Are you sure I don't have anything?
No, I'm here watching you now.
I know that. I know.
Look at you.
She has something in mind. But anyways, to me, I don't have a problem moving in with a guy. Maybe after engagement.
Not the engagement that you become Lord of the Rings.
Not God forbid, dog.
Hey! After engagement, 6 months later, everything is done. Like everything is done. Child, wedding, everything is done. Yeah.
So guys,
not the type of 2 years later.
So guys, if you're on an opinion that it's not right to move in with a guy or not, just drop it in the comment section.
Yeah, tell us, what do you guys think? What do you think? Do you think it's okay to move in since you're engaged, right? You're planning to get married, why not? Or do you think like it's against the Christian faith, you know, and all those kind of things? Like, what do you think?
Because before I said this thing, sometime 7 years ago when I went for marriage course, I did on marriage course with
okay, yes,
I did a marriage course, and the cactus also one day. So the man was like that. First of all, it's right for a girl to visit the guy, even to stay with the guy after engagement. 2, it's good to make way before anything, so that no, the man, he was open. He said that there's no need hiding, because to him, I don't even know what people are doing behind back or behind everything. But to him, that's what he feels, that there's some reasons for people to call off a wedding.
Okay.
Yeah. So it's a personal stuff. Me, I don't have a problem with that. And
but no, the thing, during my marriage class, the lady was a lady that took us through the marriage class, you know, and you know, we came late one day because and she asked us like, why are you late? And we're like, we're coming from Oka, we've been in Oka. And she was like, we've done our imego. This was marriage class before the wedding. And she was like, 2 of you, you mean both of you, you've been in Oka?
Jesus.
She was like, is it the same house? Yes, the same house.
Is it Jesus Christ?
My husband was like, I ain't make one ego. She was like, now do you I not be no, because no way we might be moved to sin.
Jesus.
You know?
Okay, sorry guys. What's the difference between traditional marriage and white wedding? Because it's a problem. Because in our own culture as Africans that we are, once you make
yes, you're married.
You're married. So the white one is just for God to honor your wedding. I don't know. It's just for God to bless you people. So once you've done your email,
that's it. Give to Caesar what belongs to Caesar.
So guys, NJ.
Yes. Tell us what you think, you guys. Just tell us in the comment section below. What do you think? And if you're married, like, did you move in immediately after you got engaged, or after the email, after the introduction? For me, I was already partly living with my husband after the email. It was like I was here and there.
That's why I said, I forgot that you're married then.
I'm married.
Yeah.
I was just here and there, and everything. Still moving small, still transitioning small.
That's why you're not feeling it right now, but you're here with me, dude. So guys, let us know what you think in the comment section, and we'll be glad to respond to each and every one of you guys. So this is officially the end of this video.
Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and of course please subscribe to Nenye sdiary. Also subscribe to Banter with NJ.
Of course. See you guys in our next video. Bye bye.